What if I told you that a tiny turkey chick weighing less than a smartphone can grow into a 40-pound bird in just a few months? Sounds impossible. But every year, millions of turkeys go through one of the most advanced farming systems in the world. It all starts inside giant hatcheries, where thousands of eggs hatch every single day. From there, the birds are moved to massive farms, fed specially designed diets, monitored by computers, cared for by veterinarians, and raised in climate-controlled barns. And here's where things get crazy. The average consumer only sees the final product sitting in a supermarket freezer. They never see the enormous operation behind it. The hatcheries, the farms, the feeding systems, the processing plants, and the thousands of workers and machines that help raise and process millions of turkeys every year. So how does a tiny chick become one of the most consumed poultry products in America? Today, we're following the complete journey, from egg incubation and turkey farms to modern processing facilities and supermarket shelves. The journey begins inside specialized hatcheries where fertilized turkey eggs arrive from breeding farms. These facilities are designed to create the perfect environment for developing embryos. Thousands of eggs are carefully loaded into massive incubation machines where temperature, humidity, and airflow are controlled around the clock. Automated systems continuously monitor conditions, while the eggs are gently rotated to ensure healthy development. After nearly 4 weeks, the eggs are transferred into hatching units. Soon, tiny cracks begin appearing across the shells. One by one, turkey poults emerge from their eggs. At this stage, they are extremely small, fragile, and completely dependent on human care. Workers inspect the newly hatched birds, checking their health and removing any that fail quality standards before transportation begins. The poults are then transported to growing farms, where their incredible transformation starts. Modern turkey farms often consist of enormous barns capable of housing thousands of birds. As the turkeys mature, their diets are adjusted to match changing nutritional needs. Automated feeding systems distribute food multiple times every day, while water systems provide continuous access to clean drinking water. And this is where the transformation becomes truly remarkable. Within a matter of months, the birds gain weight at an astonishing rate. What started as a tiny chick weighing only a few ounces gradually becomes a large turkey weighing dozens of pounds. Farm managers constantly monitor feed consumption, water intake, growth rates, and bird activity. Many farms use computer systems that instantly alert workers if temperatures change or if health concerns appear within the flock. Veterinarians and animal care specialists regularly inspect the birds to ensure the flock remains healthy. Every aspect of production is focused on maintaining bird welfare while maximizing efficiency. The healthier the birds remain, the better the final results. As the turkeys approach market weight, preparations begin for the next stage of the journey. Specialized transportation crews arrive at the farms and carefully load the birds into transport systems designed for efficient movement. Trucks then carry the turkeys to processing facilities, where agriculture transitions into large-scale food manufacturing. Upon arrival at the processing plant, the birds undergo receiving inspections before entering the production line. Modern processing facilities are designed to handle thousands of birds every hour while maintaining strict food safety standards. From this point forward, every step is carefully controlled and monitored. One of the first major stages is feather removal. Specialized processing equipment loosens and removes feathers efficiently, allowing the birds to continue through the system. What once required extensive manual labor is now performed using highly automated machinery capable of processing enormous volumes. After feather removal, the birds move into cleaning and preparation stages. Internal organs are removed, and the carcasses undergo multiple cleaning procedures. Throughout the process, trained inspectors and automated systems monitor quality continuously. Food safety remains one of the highest priorities inside the facility. But before the products can continue, another critical step must take place: rapid chilling. Fresh poultry products must be cooled quickly to maintain safety and quality. Large chilling systems rapidly lower temperatures and help preserve freshness. Without proper chilling, product quality could decline and food safety could be compromised. Once chilled, the turkeys move into grading and inspection areas. Workers in automated systems evaluate size, appearance, and overall quality. Products that meet specifications continue to the next stage. And this is where the processing line begins to split. Some turkeys remain whole. These birds continue directly toward packaging, where they will eventually be sold as complete frozen or fresh turkeys. Others move into cutting and portioning lines. This is where modern automation becomes especially impressive. High-speed processing equipment separates breasts, wings, thighs, drumsticks, and other sections with remarkable precision. The cuts are trimmed, inspected, and sorted according to market demand. Turkey breast meat is one of the most valuable products because of its popularity among consumers. Large quantities are prepared for grocery stores, restaurants, and food service companies across the country. But that's not the end of the story. Not every turkey becomes a whole bird or individual cut. Some meat is directed toward further processing operations. Here, the turkey is transformed into a variety of products, including ground turkey, deli meat, sausages, turkey burgers, smoked turkey products, and ready-to-cook meals. Inside these sections of the factory, grinders, mixers, and processing systems create products designed for different consumer markets. Additional ingredients may be added depending on the final product being manufactured. Once processing is complete, the products move toward packaging. This stage combines speed, automation, and precision. Automated machines weigh products, place them into trays, bags, or containers, and remove excess air before sealing. Labels containing nutritional information, production dates, and product details are applied automatically. And here's the incredible part. Some facilities can package thousands of turkey products every hour. Advanced camera systems inspect packaging quality, verify labels, and ensure every package meets company standards before shipment approval. The finished products are then transferred into massive refrigerated storage warehouses. Maintaining the cold chain is essential because temperature control directly affects product quality and shelf life. Inside these facilities, products may remain only briefly before distribution begins. Refrigerated trucks arrive continuously to collect shipments destined for supermarkets, restaurants, distribution centers, schools, hotels, and food service companies. The logistics operation runs around the clock to ensure products reach consumers as quickly as possible. Within just a few days, the same turkey that started life as a small egg inside a hatchery can be found on store shelves hundreds or even thousands of miles away. And that's the part most people never see. Behind every turkey product lies a massive operation involving hatcheries, incubation systems, advanced nutrition programs, climate-controlled farms, veterinary care, automated processing facilities, quality control laboratories, refrigerated transportation networks, and nationwide distribution systems. From the moment an egg enters an incubator to the moment the finished product reaches a supermarket freezer, countless workers, machines, and technologies work together to make large-scale turkey production possible. So the next time you see turkey products at a grocery store or sitting on a dinner table, remember the incredible journey that took place behind the scenes. And that is how millions of turkeys are raised and processed every year. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes factory journey, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing manufacturing and production stories. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.